close Telemark, forward walk and whisk, and then open natural turn from promenade position. We have a rule in Quickstep: if we cannot connect directly two figures together, we can add slow walk between them. Lady starts with heel turn in close Telemark, then we have connecting slow walk forward, and then we have slow whisk and open natural turn. Let's look again. And slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick. We have here two possibilities: start whisk with heel toe or just with toe. We will do with heel toe. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick. And now forward lock step, then forward walk, quick open reverse and quarter turn to left. After connecting forward walk, we can continue with heel toe, or we have another possibility: after connecting step, continue with toe. In quarter turn to left, man uses heel pivot on right foot, then we continue with some reverse figure such as double reverse spin. We start with forward lock step, then connecting forward walk, then quick open reverse, and then quarter turn to left with man's heel pivot, then some reverse figure such as double reverse spin. 5, 6, 7, 8, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, and continue into reverse figure. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. In heel pivot, we draw left foot on the heel and then change to toe. It's different than heel turn when we transfer weight to left foot. In heel pivot we stay on right foot. And now back lock, then underturned outside spin and steps 2 to 4 of back lock. We start with back lock, slow, quick, quick, slow. Now outside spin, lady goes forward, close forward, slow, 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 and between man's feet. Then we continue lock step ending. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. And now open reverse turn, reverse pivot, cross swivel, forward check and running finish. Cross swivel with dance in count slow, slow, forward and then turn. Lady step back and turn slow, slow. Then we have interesting ending. After swivel we dance forward check and then back side forward in running finish. We start with quick open reverse. Then we continue into reverse pivot, then cross swivel, on count slow, slow, then we go outside into checked forward walk, then running finish. Running finish we can dance also in count quick, quick, slow, but I prefer count slow, quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick. In cross swivel we can use ronde action with free foot. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick. And now overturn, turning lock, then steps 2-3 of hesitation, then quick open reverse and reverse pivot. Second part of hesitation change is hesitation, and we will use just 2 steps of hesitation. So we start with turning lock, overturned, and then we do steps 2 and 3 of hesitation. And we continue with reverse figure with quick open reverse, and then reverse pivot. With the count and quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. And quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. And quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. And now turning lock, then closed wing and progressive chasse to right. Now turning lock to right to closed position, then we go outside lady into closed wing, and then outside on left side of lady into chasse to right. 5, 6, 7, 8, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.